Today, I'm going to be doing a nice, easy swipe. To create the cells that you'll see forming during this swipe, I'm adding 1 drop of silicone oil to each of the base paint colors and giving them a quick stir. All the colors that I'm using today are Artist's Loft paints. I'll mention all the colors and ratios as we go, but you can also find all of that information listed in the description box. With the paints ready, I'm laying down the base paint colors, starting with Brilliant Yellow. This is Deep Yellow. Orange, vermilion, Brilliant Red, and Crimson. Each of the base paint colors that I'm using is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water, and that 1 drop of silicone oil that you saw me add earlier. For the swipe, I'm using ivory black paint that's mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water. So this paint is a thinner consistency than the paint already on the canvas, and it doesn't contain any silicone oil. I'm swiping with a piece of plastic that I cut out from the plastic that the canvas came packaged in. I really like all the cells that have formed, and I like how nice and bright the colors are too. Let me know what you think in the comments. Anyway, thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.